Alright, we are back. I'm sure you've seen one of these. And I'm sure you've seen one of these. Now, we're going to be doing a review, but not on these cheap pieces of garbage. And I'm not going to get into, look at this squirter, look at this sprinkler. I want to show you some quality products, because these are garbage. And when you're living off-grid, or just a simple homeowner, or someone that wants to buy something once and be done with it, you don't want to go and buy this, and you don't want to go and buy that. So I'm going to do an honest review. I have no affiliate links to this. I have no financial incentive to these products. They are just some good products that I want to let you know about. And the brand that I'm going to be talking about is Sunjoe, or Aqua Joe, sorry. So this right here is the hand nozzle. I know this is not an exciting review, but I'm going to tell you right now, these are some quality products. This thing right now weighs like a brick because it's made out of all steel. Unlike these things that, oh yes, they are easy on the wrist because they're made out of plastic. However, there's a lot of moving parts to them, and you can see it doesn't even close properly because of the moving parts. This isn't tightened. They break easily. They can leak really easily. However, this one doesn't have a trigger. It has a, what they call a smart, there you go, throttle. And I actually quite like it. It's got a rubber grip on it, and the selector here is actually quality. That's the only plastic part, but it's a very high quality plastic. And I'm not going to go through, look at this squirter, look at that squirter. It's got your standard shower, jet, flat, center, cone, soaker, mist, and that's it. And also what I like about this product is that they have screens in the bottom here. Now, typically, if you're in the city, you're not really going to have to worry about debris in your lines. However, if you're an individual like myself who fills up storage tanks from a natural spring, you don't know really what's floating in there, or if your lids on your storage tanks are closed, and if they're open, something might have gotten in, and you don't want that messing up your system. So it's got something nice to prevent from getting inside this, because this, if you look at it, is a completely sealed unit. There is no way to really get inside that. These are as well, but you got like a rivet on this side here that could come out, where even the throttle itself is complete one unit, and it's got a nice little rubber thumb pad on there as well. Now this also has a built-in rubber gasket in here, so when you do put the hose in there, you don't have the leak coming out, running down your hand onto your leg. Now the next product I'm gonna show you is their sprinkler unit here too. This also is 100% steel. You can hear the difference. You can hear the difference. So these are quality products. They are a little bit more expensive, but like I said, you're only going to want to buy these things once. There's no sense in buying this twice, 3 times, 4 times, because at that point you've bought one of these. Now moving on to the sprinkler, I love their quick connect that they have on here. So you put your male end on here into the female end, and this is a nice easy way to turn it on. Again, it's got the screen in here to prevent any clogging on the inside of your sprinkler itself. Now right here you have 2 levers. This will control how much you're spraying side to side. So if you want to keep it more on an upright, or you want to do a total of 180 degrees, it works. Supposedly this can do about 3,000 square foot area at 120 psi. That's what it says on their reviews. But my first question is, what city services provides 120 psi to your house? So first off, that's a little flawed, but I will tell you right now, on our gravity fed system, I am able to cover about 70 feet altogether. And I'm not getting your standard house pressure either. So if you're in a city somewhere, you're going to get better results than I do there too. One thing that I would recommend that you look for, that I missed when purchasing this, is that there are models that control the how much side to side you're doing, but also how narrow and wide your spray area is too. So if you have a wider garden or a narrower garden, or whatever you're watering, if you're one of those people that wants to have a nice green lawn in front of your house too, well, you might want to get the upgraded version there as well. Another thing is too, on this side here too, you can pull this out and you can clean all your outlets or your jet ports here, nice and easy. I haven't had any issues with clogging or with this actually working at all, and we've had them probably, I've had this sprinkler alone for about a year, and this here I've been using since early spring, so we've had some good use out of it, and we thoroughly enjoy using them. So that's all I have for you today. I'm not going to give you any demonstrations. There's other people out there that have time to waste to show you how these things work. I'm sure if you're on this video, you're just looking for a quality product. I just showed you some. That's all you're going to get from me. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you on the next one.